Hello guys, again my name is Andrew, and as you see we have a new unboxing, reviewing, installation, everything that. This is a kitchen door light. It mounts to your kitchen door, and when you open it, just lighting. Okay, it takes 3 batteries. Okay, April. And let's see how it works. Let's find some batteries. Okay, I think it needs 3 of these batteries, AG10. Let's open it. See how it works. Well, I made a mistake. It needs that battery 23 AE 12 volt, and it goes like that, and you see it's lighting off, lighting off. And let's install it to our cabin to see how it works. It goes just like that. You must unscrew this and put that lovely plastic, and then the light. And let's do that. And as you see, I have installed the plastic here. And let's put it to see how it works. It goes just like that, and plug it, and when you're closing the door, it stops. Just like that. And if you want, you can do some adjustments. Go this plastic further inside. Just put it further inside, just like that. And screw and go further, and just put the lights now again. And here, and close the door. And it will close. And opened, it will open. And close again. And if you need more adjustments, you can do it again, just like that again. And installing this. Okay, and closing the door. Very nice. Nice. And open it. And close it. And that was all, guys. Thank you for watching this unboxing, reviewing, installation of this light cabinet of your kitchen. Please subscribe to my YouTube channel, like or dislike my videos, your choice, but please hit the notification bell because more videos in the future are coming. Have a nice and lovely day. Bye bye.